show ya. You should me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it. I done it.
BerryFae lashes. BerryFae beauty lashes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Tina Tori did the
Wow. This girl got can't along.
She called me grandma, yo.
This girl dumb.
Yeah, I did.
I don't like the heel.
She just gotta do the wrap. If you do the wrap, it will look good. Yeah, but
I'm not ugly. I'm not even supposed to be shopping. You're at the wrong mall, first of all.
no, they have like a swimsuit place. Oh, now let me put this back. They probably gonna sell.
I'm gonna go try this on.
And it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight.
No, you can't, girl. It's fucking in the barrel, though. Girl, I don't know how y'all put these on all the time. That's like it for me. Girl, that's mine too. Yeah. We put the other ones on, that's why. I want to take a picture. I had to put these. Whenever y'all want to take a break. Right here. Take a break. Actually, you should take a picture. You cute. Take it in. Put it in your, put the box in your forever 21. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm gonna cry again. You shooting in my booty? No. I'm playing around in the camera.
Ashley, here.
Wait, my makeup gotta be cute. Alright.
Girl, what you listing?
I don't know.
Tell me when.
Y'all chocolate.
Oh.
Make sure my edge is not shit.
Alright, stop here, real. Stop it, man. Who?
Wait, let me do these nails.
I'm a professional.
Look at her.
Girl.
This camera faffy. And it got Wi-Fi. That thing say Wi-Fi right on top. It's connected.
Girl, 93-degree weather with a jean jacket.
What y'all doing later?
You gonna go
I'm trying
eat?
to take Ashley to eat something for her birthday.
Oh, child, I done made it blur.
Only thing I used to be able to taste was sweet plantain.
So,
I made that last night. I couldn't taste it.
Tragic.
I was so
girl, it's blurry.
I made like 7 of them and one bad. It's a whole platter in the refrigerator. That's how I knew.
Child. Take me a picture since y'all out here.
Baby could have did your photo shoot.
Baby, take pictures?
But she got a camera.
That's how they work.
I ain't know that. I thought you just do it for yourself, for the blogs.
For the blog.
For real.
The blogs. Plus, I thought you were gonna be worship team.
Wait, I gotta put this.
What you call it again?
Why you got one arm in, one arm out?
Cause Instagram vibes.
Girl.
She got Louis Vuitton. She ain't
Okay,
got it.
okay, I'm gonna put them both out.
Just see ugly ass bubbles.
Stop! Get on my toes. Like Tina Turner do my toes.
Ugly ass bubbles. She stopped my nose.
I'm moving around.
She said she told me to fix myself.
All you had to go was like this. Ooh, girl, I felt a raindrop.
What? This girl dumb.
So my elbows ashy and y'all ain't tell me.
Put me in here. Hey, y'all. I got BerryFae lashes on. Go get it.
Birthday lashes.
BerryFae. Excuse me. BerryFae lashes here. And I'm so excited. You see that? BerryFae lashes. And I'm so excited. BerryFae. My mama calling me. Hello, mama.
Period. Oh, what you love. What?
Girl, be quiet.
I said my sister, listen guys, nobody ain't never gave me no gift that made me cry. And my sister gave me this and it made me cry. That's my sister. Y'all better subscribe. Y'all better like, period. I don't know how to act. I look so cute. Anyways, follow me on Instagram. Tina X Tori. And Tina Tori Nails and Tina Tori Fit. Oh my gosh.
What's wrong with her?
Ouch. Ouch.
Guys, so a little update. I wasn't feeling good a few days ago, but I feel fine now. However, I have lost my sense of taste and smell. So yeah, I realized last night that I couldn't taste any of my food, and as well as smell the Vicks that I've been putting on just to prevent myself from getting sick. However, I feel great. I just can't taste my food or smell anything, like anything. I sprayed a brand new perfume on today and I have no idea what it smells like. So my sister Mary, which is a nurse, I already set an appointment for a COVID test, but it's not until Tuesday. Today's Sunday, so it's not until Tuesday, but she said it's better that I just try to take one now, but nowhere was offering a rapid test. They were also down, but her being a nurse, they always have some on hand. Well, not always, but she ordered some, like a pack of 6. It was like $100 some, but she gave me one. So I'm on my way to meet her at the corner of the store, and we're gonna take it out home. And yeah, so either I'll find out, well, I will find out today instead of 2 days from now. Well, even if I took it on Tuesday, I won't get my results until 72 hours, so I wouldn't get my results till I think Friday. So I'd rather do it Sunday than Friday, so that if I do have COVID, then at least I have the whole week to get better. I already let my school know, so they know that I'm not going to be in until I know for sure. And even if I do know, I still have to take kids easy because I still have a symptom of it. Just because I don't have it don't mean I don't still, you know, have any other regular cold, which is still something that we need to be cautious of. So yeah, but I am about to go get this test for my sister, and then I'm going to show you guys me taking it at home. So, I'm not sure how I feel knowing that I'm about to take the test, because I'm, you know, I know it's a possibility, so it's a yes or no. So, like, I really made some good food last night, and I ate it because I was hungry, But I have no idea what it tastes like, and that was really, really sad. That actually made me very sad. Like, I made a good breakfast this morning. I have no idea what it tastes like. I made French toast, eggs, sausage. No recollection of what it tastes like. I can't even taste my water. I'm just eating normal and regular when I get hungry. Just so I'm not hungry or starving myself. But I don't know what anything tastes like at all. So.
This is it. Do not open it no matter what. Or else it's gonna be void.
Oh my gosh, you guys look.
So
I saw it on the app. It gave me a direct link to the map.
I mean, they give you instructions one by one, so it should be good.
Alright, so here's the test, you guys. I really want to get some wings. But I'm gonna go home instead and get this thing done, over with. ASAP. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. I'm about to do this stupid test. Lord, please let it be negative, baby. Alright, I'll see y'all when I get home. Alright, you guys, so I am at home. This is what it looks like. And we're about to do it. You have to download the app that's right here. I don't know how I feel. I hope it's negative because I want to get my nails done. I'm ready to taste my food. I wonder what's the first meal I'm gonna eat when it's negative. And when I get my taste back, I should say. Okay, I have to log back in the app first. Alright, so here we go. Okay, I'm about to scan my QR code. Test kit not recognized. Oh, let me get my computer. It says using a webcam, visit emed.com. I'm going to visit emed.com. Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, please wash and dry your hands. Yes. You will be asked to present your ID. Okay, allow. Are you ready to begin your test? Yes.
Hello, thank you for choosing Amet. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And by the way, my name is Arnie. I'll be your certified guide. Together, we will prepare and activate your test kit. And do you have your ID ready with you? Can you please show me your ID? Okay, it's Ariel. Can you move it a little up? Okay, it's July 19th, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You can put it down now. And Ariel, can you confirm that you are the owner of the account that is logged in right now?
Yes.
Sure. Now, can you please show me the test box? Okay, you can now open the test box. There should be a sealed test card, a sealed swab, and a bottle of liquid. And please let me know if all the three components are complete. Swab, test card, and okay, the liquid.
Yes.
Okay, you can now take the test card out of its package. Okay, and then hold your test card in front of your device camera to scan the QR code. Move it in your left and your right. In your right, okay, thank you very much. Now open the test card and then lay it completely flat like an open book, ensuring that the two holes are on the right side of the card. Okay, and then get the bottle. No, Ariel, you have to focus the camera in our the camera in the test card so that I can see the test card while doing the next. Okay, thank you. Then get the bottle. Okay, then slowly add 6 drops into the top hole of the card, which is the smaller hole.
This one?
Yes.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, thank you. And can you please move your chair next, right beside the test card?
Is that good?
Okay, just 5 times, and then in the other side.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, just make sure, rotate it 5 times. Make sure that it touches the surface of your nose.
Okay. And the surface is, oh.
Okay. Okay, now thread the swab through the bottom hole until visible in the top hole. You have to insert the swab in the big hole. Okay?
Through the bottom.
Yeah, and then glide it through or push it through until visible in the smaller hole. One moment, please. Can I see?
Do it through, like on top, and then through?
Yeah, in the big hole, insert, and then push it through until visible in the smaller hole.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Say that one more time.
You have to twirl or twist the swab shaft 3 times to the right. And then after that, you can close the left side of the card. Okay, thank you very much, Ariel. And in a moment, we will activate your timer. The test card must stay flat and stationary. Do not touch the card during this time. A certified guide will be with you in just under 15 minutes to assist you to interpret your result. And also, I send in our for your future reference, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll start the timer now. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, and thank you for choosing EMS. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And thank you so much for waiting. Your certified guide, and together we will interpret and record your results. So, kindly hold your test card in front of your device camera to scan the QR code and so I can see the results. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I now got it. Thank you so much for that, Ariel. Okay, so there are 3 possible outcomes of the test: positive, negative, and invalid. Please look at the result window on the front of the card and look carefully for pink lines. The line in the sample window can be very faint, so please take a closer look. Do you see 2 pink horizontal lines? Please compare to the sample results on the screen.